Despite defeat in that Cincinnati showdown, beaten finalist Novak Djokovic continues to lead the way in the Emirates ATP Rankings. Newly crowned seven-time Cincy champion Roger Federer rises one place back to second. Down to third, it's Andy Murray. He's followed by Japan's Kei Nishikori, who's in fourth. In fifth, it's Switzerland's Stan Wawrinka. In sixth, Tomas Berdych of the Czech Republic. Spain's David Ferrer remains in seventh place, with his compatriot Rafael Nadal just behind in eighth. In the Emirates ATP doubles race to London, it's the Bryan brothers who lead the way, just ahead of Roger and Picao, who remain second. In third, it's Dodig and Melo, with the Italian duo Bolelli and Fognini in fourth.